trying to figure out what LUFS you're at right at the beginning of mixing is irrelevant. But I'm going to explain it to you, because I don't want to complicate it and think you have to hit numbers, because the importance is not thinking about LUFS. The importance, as I will keep stressing, is getting each individual sound and step within that triangle, you know, to reduce the peak values as much as possible without affecting the sound, the tone, the dynamics of the track or the individual part. And if you take care of everything from the ground up, everything at the end will be easier to fix. Well, not fix, but it will be, you know, easier to limit and get a louder track.